Today I would like to shoot a quick video about my Cub Cadet International Harvester 108 1978 model. I deassembled all of the parts. I'm gonna paint it hunter green and Italian olive green, and all the mower parts, the mower deck is gonna be bright orange. I used Power 15 on the engine and on the frame and on the hood. Here's the hood. After I used Power 15, I put Italian olive green, and the grill is gonna be hunter green. All new belts. And I'm gonna get the kit for the steering wheel to make it like easier to steer. It's upgrade kit. It's just the bearing. You put it here, and I put a spacer here on both of those two rods in order to make the brakes firmer. Of course, everything is gonna be cleaned. Here's the PTO, spring assisted. See, here's the spring. It's pretty tight. Okay. So that's about it actually. It's a lot of work, I know, but these machines, they are beauty, man. They are heavy duty made, all heavy gauge metal. I mean, it's nothing comparable to the new ones in the market, so I decided to salvage it and use it, give it another life. I'm old school. I will keep you posted on the upgrades and when the finished product is done.